Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to recover Trust Wallet account with phrase. The phrase we're talking about is your Trust Wallet secret phrase. In order to be able to recover your account, you must have your Trust Wallet secret phrase written down somewhere. So with your access to the Trust Wallet secret recovery phrase, all you need to do is open up your Trust Wallet, and you could easily import your account into the Trust Wallet platform. When you click on the gear icon at the top left, once there, click on the wallets, and then proceed to click on the plus icon, and then proceed to click on add existing wallet. Now, you could add with a secret phrase with Swift, with Google Drive backup, or watch only. So select the secret phrase option. Now, depending on the kind of wallet you have the secret phrase to, it could be a Solana wallet, it could be a BNB Smart Chain wallet, it could be any of the wallets listed here. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to get it done with a multi-coin wallet. So click on the multi-coin wallet, and all you need to do is simply paste your secret recovery phrase here and restore your wallet. So once you've pasted your recovery phrase, click on restore wallet, and it says welcome aboard. So you could start using your Trust Wallet. So guys, this is how you could easily restore your Trust Wallet account with your secret phrase. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.